Welcome to Dragon Classroom. I'm Dragon. In this lesson, we will learn about drinks. Let us learn how to say them in Chinese. Are you ready? How do we say milk in Chinese? 牛奶牛奶牛奶 How do you say soda in Chinese? 汽水汽水汽水 How do you say milkshake in Chinese? 奶昔奶昔奶昔 How do we say tea in Chinese? 茶茶茶 How do we say coffee in Chinese? 咖啡咖啡咖啡 How do we say fruit juice in Chinese? 果汁果汁果汁 How do we say water in Chinese? 水水水 How do we say wine in Chinese? 酒酒酒 How do we say cocktail in Chinese? 鸡尾酒鸡尾酒鸡尾酒 What about beer in Chinese? 啤酒啤酒啤酒 How do we say champagne in Chinese? 香槟香槟香槟 We have covered all the drinks. Are you ready for a game? Question 1. Listen carefully. 水水水 What does it mean? What is your answer? 水 is water. 水 is water. Question 2. Listen carefully. 香槟香槟香槟 What does it mean? What is your answer? 香槟 is champagne. 香槟 is champagne. Question 3. Listen carefully. 牛奶牛奶牛奶 What does it mean? What is your answer? 牛奶 is milk. 牛奶 is milk. This is our last question. Listen carefully. 咖啡咖啡咖啡 What does it mean? What is your answer? 咖啡 is coffee. 咖啡 is coffee. That's all for the game. It's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Join me again. Thank you. 谢谢。